So to include figures, it has got its own methods. You can have that include graphics command, and you can specify the figure, its scale, scaling factor, caption, label, etc. So the advantage is that the process of referring to the figure in the text becomes very easy, because LaTeX takes care of this numbering. This figure 4 is numbered by the text. So in the text I can simply write it as /ref and the key, and the text will be coming like this, figure 4. Okay, so at this point I bring to your notice about another person known as Al-Khwarizmi, who believed in who after whom the term algorithm was coined. Okay, as CSC student, we must also know about this person, because we always talk about algorithms, but most of us may not know how this term came. So, and another interesting fact is the list of figures command brings you the list of figures at the required place in the report. Another important part of any report is the bibliography or the reference section. Let's say you are writing a report with hundreds of references. LaTeX makes it very easy to manage your references without doing it manually. So there are two methods to do that. You can use the bibliography environment and give it, and also you can use with BibTeX. So using BibTeX itself requires a lot of understanding, so I am not getting into those details here. Maybe another video we may dedicate for this bibliography alone. Okay, so that's about typesetting in general. So this is like driving. As you practice more, you will become comfortable in doing it. So before we conclude, let me tell you that this LaTeX can also be used for creating slides. The slides that you have been watching so far are done with LaTeX. So it's such a powerful tool, open tool, which all students must know how to use it to make their slides and report in the most professional and scientific way. So these are some links where you can get lot of support. There are a lot of online support available for LaTeX report making and slide making. These are some of the links. You can go through these sites and get great deal of help. So with this, the introduction is ending here. Thank you everyone. So here the slides are ending, but here begins your journey with LaTeX. Thank you.